like, and subscribe.
We're at Jamboree.
And we're at the four-wheel Jamboree.
Four-wheel Jamboree, all right. Indianapolis. And what do they do here?
They like let trucks drive by.
Yeah. Look, stay,
like a
get up there
truck
by the truck and show how big they are. Don't touch him, bub. Landon's.
Someone.
Yeah. Look, the tire's as tall as Lily. Get down there by that tire. Look. Give her, I'll take a picture.
That disco part over there.
Oh, yeah? I like that.
That's really cool.
That is neat.
Disco part.
Get up here so I can get a picture. Hurry. Kids love those headlights, which they are cool.
If you got to do anything before I do another interview, you go do what you got to do. No, listen, it's really awesome here on the
It's a
store.
Toyota Ford or Land Cruiser. What the heck am I
A
saying?
reminder though, because this is the 40th anniversary of this, and we're inviting
That's
those
cool.
guys to come up to the stage.
I know. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can't even see the whole truck in it. That thing's huge.
Wow, look at that creative.
Here's the answer to the Cummins CUDA. Looks like it's about the same stages. It's not a dually though. No, it's not super high. It's set up just nice. I like that. That's nice. That's probably the best one I've seen so far. Look at this stance. Get up there, Landon, and stand by it. See, it's not super high, but it's, don't touch it. That's cool. That's nice. Do that really got out there. Wow, there. That's a pretty truck right there. Here. Hey, don't touch, babe. Lilybug, don't touch him. Hey. Let me get a picture. Get over here, Lan.
appreciate that. So, yeah, for all of you, ladies and gentlemen, who've been here for all these years, we salute.
Get under that one. Oh, it's up on the other Jeep. Don't get under there. No. Just. There you go. Yep. Sold it.
Oh, I seen a yellow one of these driving on the street.
Yeah. Yep.
The bridge is above us. Wait, Papa, is this me, Mater?
Yep, that's Mater.
The old time Jeep.
That's Mater on steroids. Uh-huh. What? There's a Mater. Yep. There's Toe Mater. Yeah, little Mater. I like it a lot. I'll get up there and get that face. You gotta get Toe Mater. Everybody knows Mater. Everybody knows Mater. Go ahead, get up there, little bug. Get up there. And there. Gotcha. Huh? It's a track where they run.
This is my favorite.
That's your favorite? Is it? I love you. My favorite's Mater. You gotta like Mater.
My favorite's Mater too. If they brought a lightning plane, he'd be like one of my favorites too.
Yeah.
This one too.
Yep.
And it has a bear in it. This whole love of pink, purple bear, purple.
I know. They like purple, don't they? You got purple chairs, purple bears. Maybe, yeah, about that.
I feel like the cruise was like half taller.
Twice as tall.
Yeah.
See, we're at the truck show. Landon's looking at this going, is that the size of our cruise ship? We want to go on a cruise so bad. Uh-oh. He's lost a little weight. Miniature Leland.
Miniature me mixed with Leland.
That's nice. This must be the square body section. This must be the square body section because these are the square bodies and they are gorgeous. Yep. Get up on sidewalk, baby. See how the truck's square? That's why they call them square bodies. Watch your step. Huh? Do what? Do what? What'd you say?
It looks more like a rectangle.
Yeah, you're right. It's a rectangle body. They got trucks on both sides of the streets, man. Lined up all. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Yes. See, this goes right under. Yep. See, Lily doesn't have to duck. Come on. Come on. Lily's so short, she don't have to duck. Watch. Straight under. Dang. Big old trucks. I know. Huh?
I don't think Lillian can just walk through that one. But
I don't think so either.
But Lillian, walk through that one.
This is what we're into, ain't it? Papa's gotta get another one. I gotta get me another one. No, no, no. Sitting on 32s. Yep, let's go look at it. But stand up by a tire. Stand up by the tires, guys. Yeah, it's exactly as tall as Landon.
Taller than me.
Oh yeah, that's taller than you. Here, let me get a picture.
Let me go.
Let me get a picture.
But she gets taller.
Here, look at me. Okay. Quit. You don't touch those trucks. Okay, now. Look how pretty.
You missed that one.
That pretty green. Yeah, I didn't get this one. We're getting it now, though. That pretty green, and then, bam. Look at that. I mean, some people just know how to do it. This thing is huge. That is huge. Wow. There's Nightmare. I think they're from Kokomo, but I'm not real sure. Jamboree award winner. There's really more trucks than you can look at. There's really more trucks than you can look at here.
Maybe in that city.
Yeah, let's look at this. That's awesome. That's old school. That is so cool. Yeah, it's a camper.
Then you could drive home, be in your car.
Yeah. Come here. Watch out, baby. She's taking a picture. Lily. Lily, get back. You okay?
It's a grave digger.
Yeah, he made it look like grave digger. That's a monster truck right there, guys. Get up there by those tires. Sit on that rim. You're fine. Here, watch out, Lee. Lil, turn around. Okay, now switch. Okay. You guys are silly.
Look at me, Pablo.
I know.
It's bigger?
Look at that. Look where they climb on cars and stuff and tears them up.
I'm almost walking.
American Outlaw. And then you got that. Boom. What, buddy? Figure out.
My feet are so cold.
Yeah. Huh?
They're long way back.
What you got to say?
I'm gonna cut it off.
What you got to say?
Aren't we gonna like do that one thing if you cut
Yeah.
it down?
Yeah. What you got to say?
About what?
Your feet's hot? You're real hot, ain't you?
Yeah, I'll pour some water on you. No. I got my own.
Nothing but complain this whole time.
No, I haven't.
I'm gonna find us some water. We'll fill our water bottles. He's on our channels.
I know.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yep. Got a bear on it. Ooh, that's a dually. I didn't even see that. Oh, that's sharp, ain't it? Man. Surviving the heat, Indiana State Fairgrounds. How'd you do it?
We poured cold water on them.
Get cold water on and refilled the water bottles with cold water. Now we're good to
That was a
go.
bad idea.
Why?
Because it started hurting. She hurt herself.
Yeah.
2 times, literally. She tripped on rocks.
Let's go.
And then she... Oh, my chest.
Go down through here. You got all these trucks. And then in the distance, you got that big old boy down there just waiting. I like those red rims. Back on that camouflage that Jesus rocks. Listen to that bad boy.
This truck has never been painted.
That dude sounds good. Woo. He sounds sexy. Yep. Look at those Lambo doors on that finale. Look at the Polaris Turbo. Man, I like these. That's a Pro XP 1000 Turbo. I like it.